let's get one thing clear in this video. You might not hear this from many other dermatologists, but this is the truth. It is way easier to preserve the collagen you have in your skin right now than it is to rebuild this later to the same quality that is there now with expensive treatments and all these other products. So in this video, I'm going to help you understand the things that you can do right now to preserve the healthy collagen that you have in your skin so that you can be less dependent later on trying to build new collagen. Now, this is not only important for how we look, it's just important for your skin health and skin longevity in general. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, known here as the Budget Dermatologist, where I help you make skincare simple and bring you real advice for real skin. So make sure you are subscribed right here to my YouTube channel and come say hi on Instagram at the Budget Dermatologist. You can also sign up for my newsletter. I will put the link in the description of this video. Okay, so let's preserve your collagen. Think of your collagen like your skin's scaffolding. It gives your skin structure, bounce, and firmness. But let me tell you some bad news. You may have already heard this astonishing fact. By your mid-20s, you are losing 1% or more of your collagen every year. Now, to some extent, some of this is inevitable as part of our natural aging process. But what I am trying to get across in this video is the 1% or more loss, because a lot of us are doing things that are causing us to lose our collagen at a much greater rate than 1% per year. And you people are the ones I am trying to reel in this video to get you to realize some of these habits that you are doing, to maybe cut back on them, and you are going to be anti-aging so much better. And it's going to be so much easier than trying to reverse these changes years down the road. And keep in mind, I am talking to myself as much as I am to you in this video, because I need to do a better job of all of these things, but it's okay. We can do them together. So let's go through them. Number one, this is perhaps the most important one, but I'm actually going to spend the least amount of time on it because it's the one you've probably heard the most coming from dermatologists. And yes, it's about limiting excessive UV exposure. Now, hear me out. I want you to actually understand what is happening to your collagen when you are getting this excessive UV exposure. The UV light is triggering the release of enzymes in the skin called MMPs, or matrix metalloproteinases. These are enzymes that are highly destructive because they break down collagen molecules by cleaving their structure apart. That sounds so dramatic, but it kind of is. In simple terms, the more sun exposure you get without protection, the more active these enzymes become and the faster your collagen disappears. Now, once that collagen breaks down, it's extremely difficult for your body to rebuild it to the same quality. So your best defense is prevention. And you can do this with a daily sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or greater. I will link my personal favorites in the description of this video. But even better than sunscreen, in my opinion, is UPF 50+ protective clothing, wide brim hats. It's just so much easier. I will also link some of my favorite UPF options in the description of this video. My second tip, you need to actually be getting beauty sleep. When you are not sleeping well, your body is going to increase production of cortisol, which is the primary stress hormone. Now, cortisol is directly interfering with collagen in two ways. First, it's going to inhibit fibroblasts, which are the very cells responsible for making collagen and elastin. And second, it upregulates collagen-degrading enzymes like MMP1, which break down your existing collagen stores. So chronic, poor sleep accelerates visible aging at the cellular level. This is going to result in thinner skin, a more dull complexion, and more wrinkles, especially over time. Now, it's not only the time spent in bed, but it's also about your sleep position that matters. So let me explain. If you are a person who sleeps on their side or on your stomach, your face is often compressed like this. Compressed into your pillow. This is creating repetitive mechanical pressure that leads to sleep wrinkles, which are the vertical sleep wrinkles, the vertical lines going down the side of the face, down the cheek, jawline, and even the neck and chest area. Now, over time, this pressure is going to distort your collagen alignment. This can lead to permanent creases in the skin that are not from age, they're not from sun, but they are from the way your skin folds night after night, year after year. And these are the kind of wrinkles that unfortunately cannot be treated with Botox because they are not due to muscular contraction, they are due to mechanical compression. So I'm going to share with you my personal side sleeper story of what happened to me and what I did to fix it. Hopefully this will help you too if you are a side sleeper. So I am the world's biggest side sleeper. It's the only position I can feel comfortable in. So in my early 30s, which unfortunately was a long time ago now, I started to wake up with my vertical sleep wrinkles, kind of like I always had, but they were not going away. Like they were just there still at the end of the day. Freaked me out. I did my research and I switched to a side sleeper pillow, or kind of this anti-aging pillow. Let me show you. This one from Sleep and Glow, okay? It is, you can see the cradles specifically cut out for side sleepers. So when I switched to this pillow, this actually took me a while to kind of get the hang of how to sleep comfortably on it. But when I did, it started to make a huge difference and I really got used to it. So it takes time, give it time. But this is how it works. You can see the cutout on both sides. So when you sleep at night, look how angelic I look. Your face rests in the cradle. You get neck and back alignment at the same time, and your face is completely in the same normal position. There is none of this. It allows your skin to just sit normally. So there's no mechanical compression when you are sleeping on your side. So this is actually the kind of new updated one with this nice silk pillowcase. Sleep and Glow sent this to me. Thank you guys, and for sponsoring this little portion of the video. If you guys want to try out my side sleeping pillow that has fixed my sleep lines, I swear by this, and it lasts a really long time, but you can get this on sale right now for 15% off. I have a discount code that's good for you guys till the end of the month. So I'm going to put the link to this exact pillow and the pillowcase in the description of this video with the sale details for you guys to check out. It's so good. You guys are going to love this. Memory foam. It was designed by orthopedists and is one of the only pillows that is clinically proven to reduce your sleep wrinkles. So linking this below. Number 3, some of you might like this tip the least, and it's okay, I understand, but what you eat determines how you age, and certain foods are really speeding up that clock. One of the most notorious foods for destroying collagen in our skin, take a guess? It's sugar, okay? Highly processed sugar. When you consume high levels of sugar or any food that quickly is going to spike your blood glucose, it sets off a process called glycation. This is when sugar molecules bind to proteins like collagen and elastin, forming harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products. Now, once AGEs are formed, they alter the structure of your collagen. They make your collagen stiff, brittle, and less elastic. So instead of being bouncy and flexible, they become cracked and rigid. This reduces your skin's ability to bounce back, it increases your wrinkle depth, and it accelerates visible signs of aging, especially areas where you have really thin skin. So your key takeaway here is that your diet either protects your collagen or destroys it. So eat less high glycemic and ultra processed foods and eat more low glycemic and whole foods if you want to keep your collagen healthy for longer. Number 4, lift weights to protect your collagen. Most people really do not associate lifting weights with better skin, but it's time we get that message out there. So resistance training or lifting weights isn't just about building muscle, it actually helps preserve and even boost collagen production, which is essential, again, for firm and youthful skin. So here's how this works. When you lift weights, your body increases growth hormones like IGF-1 and growth hormone. These are not only going to prevent your collagen from breaking down, but they also stimulate the production of new collagen. Strength training also improves your circulation and your oxygen delivery, which means your skin cells, especially fibroblasts, which again are the collagen producing cells in your dermis, it helps them get more of the fuel they need so that they stay active and productive. So yes, strength training not only builds your muscles, but it also is building the scaffolding of your skin. It's one of the most underrated longevity tools we have for both our body and our skin. And number 5, limit or avoid, if you can, smoking and alcohol. So let's start with alcohol. It's going to dehydrate your skin. It depletes it of vital antioxidants like vitamin A and C and other nutrients that are essential for collagen repair. It also triggers inflammation and oxidative stress, which speeds up collagen breakdown. So over time, you are going to get dull, saggy skin with worsened signs of aging. If you do drink, remember moderation is key. You want to hydrate and replenish your antioxidants and try to limit your alcohol so you can preserve your skin's function. Smoking, on the other hand, exposes your skin to thousands of harmful chemicals that directly impair collagen production. It's reducing the oxygen supply to your skin. It disrupts your fibroblasts, again, the cells responsible for making collagen, and it increases the production of enzymes that break down your collagen. All of this leading to premature wrinkles and skin thinning. So smoking accelerates aging dramatically from the inside out. Quitting is one of the best things you can do to protect your collagen long term. All of these 5 tips will not only help your skin stay healthy, youthful, and vibrant for longer, but it helps your other organs too. So take it from me, it is easier to keep your collagen healthy for longer with these key lifestyle habits rather than trying to rebuild it with expensive treatments and products down the road. I hope you guys are still hanging in there after this video. Your skin is gonna thank you if you made it all the way here. Make sure you are subscribed before you head out. Come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. See you guys soon. Bye.